Hello, lovers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Eshet, and as usual, I am very excited to have you here once again. Okay, so a quick one. Today, we're going to talk about something that is very disturbing. It's a concern to lots of us, both male and female, which is how to treat stubborn pimples. Some of us have stubborn pimples, that arises perhaps from because we have oily skin, our lifestyle, or the food we eat. So today I'm gonna give you some ideas of how to treat this stubborn pimples, no matter what it is. Please stay with me. All right, now, so we're going to start with the simplest, which is water. This is the most affordable. Yes, drinking 10 or 12 glasses of water in a day can help flush most or even all impurities out of your body, your face in particular. Another way you can use water is by making a hot steam. Cover your face over a towel with a hot water in a container. It helps open up pores and helps the pimple to be soft and ready to go. All right, let's go to the next one. Yeah, next is ice cubes from your freezer. This helps because it is best for swollen or red face. It helps reduce inflammation and the appearance of blemishes. Rubbing it directly on the spots help close pores and remove bacteria. The next one is garlic. Slice a clove, rub the juice on your face, pay attention to the problem areas or your entire face. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse off. It is that simple. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one is lemon juice. The natural astringents and antibacterial properties of lemon are great for clearing up skin. For best result, apply it directly on your skin and leave it for up to an hour and rinse off. The other functions of lemon juice, it lightens up the skin and makes it soft. The next one is baking soda. Baking soda clears blemishes. It is natural. It doesn't contain any harmful chemicals. Benefits of baking soda are it exfoliates, reduces inflammation, and clears up your skin. How to use it? Make a paste with warm water. Apply it directly on your face like a mask. Leave it for at least an hour and then rinse off. Next on our list today is corn flour. Corn flour. Corn flour is best for sensitive skin. If you know your skin is sensitive, this is the best for you. Make a paste with water. Apply it and leave it for as long as you want and rinse it off. It's that simple. Another way of treating stubborn pimples is with egg white. Break your egg, separate the yolk from the whites, and then use cotton bud, cotton swab, or just your fingers. Apply it on your face. Make a mask if possible. Leave it on your face for at least an hour. Pull it off or rinse it off. It is that simple. The next one is banana peels. Banana, even the part we don't eat, contains goodies. Yes. The peel contains lutein, an extremely powerful antioxidant that reduces swelling and inflammation and encourages healthy cell growth. Rub it on your skin, or you can still peel off the use spoon or knife or whatever to scrape the peelings and use that content on your face, or just rub it directly on your face. Rinse it off after say 20 to 30 minutes and you will love your skin. Next is potato. Potato contains potassium, sulfur, phosphorus, and chloride. It helps reduce blemishes and also has antioxidants that nourishes and helps new skin cells to grow. It helps treat stubborn pimples. Of course, there are other functions of potato listed here. Next on our list is honey. Apply a teaspoon of honey on the affected area or on your entire face, or you can make a mask of half cup of honey and a cup of plain oatmeal. Rub it on your face and leave it for 30 minutes and rinse off. The last one on the list today is tomatoes. Very simple to use. Just slice and rub on your skin. Leave it for at least 15 minutes and rinse off. All these processes I'm telling you, if you try them twice a week, in the next few weeks, say 1 or 2 months, you will love your skin again. All right, lovers, I am very sure this video was very helpful to you on how to treat stubborn pimples. If you are visiting for the first time, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop content. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Till I come your way some other time, I am still Mercy Eshet. Bye-bye. I love you.